Hey, welcome guys. So let's solve this maximum length of repeated subarray. Okay, so given nums and num2, return the maximum length of subarray appear both arrays. So this is an old question, old textbook question. So 1 to 3 to 1, 3 to 1, 4, 7. The answer is 3 to 1, right? So 3 to 1, 3 to 1. Okay, so each time you see a string, there are some strange string problem. I guess there's only two ways to solve it. The first way is that you know some strange data structure like suffix tree or trie or something like the suffix array or something, which is very advanced data structure. This is the powerful way to solve it. But if you don't know this, then usually you don't have any other way to solve it. The only way to solve it is use dynamic programming. Okay, so this problem is very simple once you write down the answer. So let's say once you write down, so I define a dpij to be the maximum subarray ending at nums I. I should say the length of maximum subarray ending with nums, let's say I and nums. So this is nums1 I and the nums2 j. Yeah, I mean I should use this. Okay, but yeah, to initialize maybe with the I plus 1 or j plus 1. So basically this means that let's say this is nums1 and then this is nums2, and then I take I and I take j, and this dpij will give me the subarray, which is, let's say there is a 4, will give you will give me the length of maximum subarray ending with these two positions. Okay, so obviously that your initialize can just dp00 0 I've defined to be 0, and the rest, I mean, okay, so this is the definition, right? So now we can easily go through, right? So let's say if I go to I plus 1, j plus 1, so it's very easy that if these two are the same, or let's say nums of I the same as the nums1 of I and then the same as nums2 of j, then all you can do is just add 1, right? So you can dpi, let's say I plus 1 and then j plus 1 will be dpi j plus 1. Okay, right? If these two are the same, then you can do extension. Okay, because you always you need to choose this. Okay, so this is your dp equation. Okay, so if nums1 I is the same as nums2 j, then you just write down. Okay, so very easy. You go to m and n, and then you define initialize, and you need to use n plus 1. Okay, so this is just for convenience. And for I range m, j range n, if they are the same, then dpi plus 1 dpj will be nums I j plus 1. Okay, so this is the dp equation that I just mentioned. Then what do you do? So finally, you get some dpij, which is the answer, and which is you ending at j and ending at I, right? So the only way is you just choose maximum, right? So you can just choose maximum for every ij, right? Let's say for every ij. So you get some block, you get some, and then you choose the maximum number. Okay, so in Python you just max x for x in dp and take max, or you can just go through array. You can just go through array which takes m in. Okay, so this is the common strategy. This type of strategy are very, very common that to solving the string problem. Okay. So see you guys next videos.